Here we have a made to measure Manufaktur. So this is special program where there are no limits for the Mercedes, so they can do anything what you want. Also this is a darkened chrome above the tail lamp. Usually this is a classic chrome, but here it's like a darkened, really thick leather. It's like a thick, check it out, like in Maybach. Alright, so here in the S-Class, this is the next level. Check this out. It's stitching. This looks so nice, and I'm really surprised. The level of finishing is really high here, top level for sure, and it looks well together. The green, dark chrome, and this piping, it really has a nice symbiosis, we can say. It is well put together. Alright guys, so here we have the beautiful S-Class Manufaktur, and this is in amazing color, this green shade. It's also stunning looking, 2025 Manufaktur version. So it has a lot of presence, standing Mercedes star of course, and it has such a nice sparkles with the metallic paint. Yeah, absolutely stunning. Digital light of course. And we have night package as well. And also check out here, we have a dark chrome. So the chrome is replaced with the dark chrome. The exception is this, the grille and the standing star. Otherwise everything is in dark and sort of black chrome. Check this out. So yeah, this is top-notch customization. And these amazing multi-spoke wheels. Check these out. Probably my favorite wheels on the S-Class for sure. These are purely 255, 35, 21 inch P0. Night package with deep gloss black elements, mirrors, and trim around the window as well. And on the interior we have a green stitching with carbon fiber. Check this out, green stitching. The car is locked probably. Oh, it's unlocked, okay. Check this out. Made to measure Manufaktur. So this is special program where there are no limits for the Mercedes, so they can do anything what you want. Check it out here with Mercedes branding in green and stitching in this sort of grim and line colors. Wow, I'm so happy that I can show this to you. Made to measure, check it out. On the headrest, the leather feels really amazing. And check out the steering wheel in microfiber material, and the airbag is stitched in leather. Also we have the carbon fiber and green stitching everywhere. Yeah, I don't really want to hop in for now because yeah, it's not the presentation yet, full presentation. But check out here the carbon fiber. And also in the door panels, diamond stitching as well. Check it out, similar like on the S63, the first edition. Top end Burmester. And made to measure here as well. So this is the special program once again. Also check out here these lime green details, piping, and Mercedes pillows with stitching, and made to measure once again. Manufaktur. The displays, check this out. This is a top level Mercedes. Of course, sunroof 2 section. In the middle we have the Burmester speaker, and this green paint is absolutely top notch. The real wheels 285 30 21 inch. And what we have, of course, soft close. I really like the night package around the windows. You know, before people used to do this in the other locations, but now you can have it from the factory, which is a great news for many customers. You don't have to go anywhere to like a third-party shop. They will do it for you at the factory. So this is one of the highlights for sure, this special program. And yeah, this is looking top. And in this scenario here, old, like a sort of old school historic setting, this is a top. Also this is a darkened chrome above the tail lamp. Usually this is a classic chrome, but here it's like a darkened, so either dark or black chrome. Diffuser here, it was raining yesterday, so we have some spots, but they cleaned it really well. Also check out here, made to measure, fantastic detail here, just under the sunshade. This is a top class. And the boot, once again, made to measure. This is stitched on the piece of really thick leather. And also these floor mats, and also in the boot is like a thick, check it out, the material, like in Maybach. Here is subwoofer, everything is in leather once again, check this out. Wrapped in the leather. Also here, okay, this is a next level for sure. Also this is in leather on the inside. So wow, and also here, check this out, everything is in full leather. I have never seen this, I think. Yeah, usually this is like a cloth material, but yeah, here it's top level. And also check out here, this is a dark chrome, this part. Usually this is a chrome, only I think in Maybach Night series I've seen this darken. Now from this side, and this is a normal, let's say normal quote-unquote S-Class. It's not a Maybach and it's not an AMG. So it's possible to do this also. Check out, wow, check out here, we have a really like a suede leather or like microfiber material, made to measure. And I can feel, yeah, how this is looking and how this smells actually. And also on the pillow here we have a made to measure, Manufaktur. Okay, so this is like a reversible, let's say. You can see there as well. Underneath we have a tables which you can fold out, and cooler, I believe. And yeah, underneath here we have actually cooler, check this out, and remote. What do we have here? So here we have a cooler, 2 cup holders, cooled or heated, to section AC. And underneath here we have a tables, of course, wireless charger for a phone, USB-C port, and also HDMI ports as well. And here is actually 12-volt socket as well. Once again, the rear seat infotainment system, massage seats. This is a top level airbag, check this out. And the sunroof looks really stunning here.